Okay, so you now know about some of the most important Python data types, but I bet you are still confused how these data types are used in the real world. So normally, for example, you'd have these data stored in an Excel file or a text file. So does it make sense to write them in a Python dictionary like that or like that in a list? No, it doesn't. There are actually ways to automatically load the data from your Excel spreadsheet to Python to create that dictionary. So you still have to create a dictionary, but you don't have to type the data in the python.py file like I did here. You're going to use some specific Python extensions to load the data in here, and then you process that dictionary as we did in here. But don't worry, I'm going to cover that, and we're going to have some nice applications later in the course, in the applications part. So stay tuned.